Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today's video is actually the third video of our little mystery cup shoe series. I'm pretty sure the shoes that we have today are both Adidas. We're actually opening up two shoes today, so we'll just have to see what they are. Alright, so both of these shoes actually came in the same package. So before we open up these shoes, I do have a sneaker giveaway going on when I hit 3,000 subscribers. So I am going to be giving away this sneaker right here. It's an NMD R1 V2. It's a 9.5. Even if you aren't a 9.5, you can always resell this. It is dead stock, so you can sell it on StockX. So make sure you go click the link in the description at the end of the video. Alright, so I need a knife to open up this box. I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. I already told you guys there's two shoes, and let's see. So one of them retails for $170, and the other one retails for $120. And so the one that was $170, the person that bought these got them for $38, and then the other one that's $120, they got them for $36. So obviously, whoever bought these is getting them for a good deal. So I actually have no clue what sneakers are in this box. So yeah. Okay, so I can see that they are both Adidas, or at least I think they are. Yes, they are. See right there. So we have one that says Adidas Original, and then there's another one that just says Adidas, so you guys can see right there. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. Alright, so I'm assuming this is the one that is retailing for $170. It is a Crazy BYW level, wait, I don't know what that means, but it's a 10.5, as you guys can see right there. Now let's go ahead and open the shoe up. Now obviously, if this one was, or hold up, I just need to see this shoe. Okay, yeah, so this was the one that was retailing for $170, and getting them for $38, now that's a really good deal. And I remember I gave one of these away when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so I obviously had that shoe for a while, but I've never actually worn one of these. But they do seem very comfortable because it has a lot of boost. Now this reminds me a lot of a Yeezy 500 with the bubbles and everything. So overall, it's not a bad looking sneaker. And let's go ahead and get the other one out. Okay, so now that we have both of them out, let's go ahead and take a deeper look at the sneaker. So it looks like we have some blue accents going on with the black of the sneaker. And we do have a little bit of a white accent to go with the boost. And then we have some thicker black material. I personally don't really like the feel of the material on the outside, but obviously on the inside it feels pretty good on your foot. And we have the laces, and yeah, that's pretty much everything about this sneaker. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these, but obviously a lot of people will want to get a good deal on a sneaker like this, so I'm not complaining. Or right now, in the comments below, tell me if you guys think that was a good deal. So retail for $170, and they got them for $38. So tell me in the comments below, but let's go ahead and open up the next sneaker. Alright, so here we go. I have no clue what this is, so I have no clue what that means. So if anyone knows what that word is, tell me in the comments below. But let's go ahead and open this thing up. This is different, very different. This is very interesting. I still have no clue what the name is. Alright, so whatever this is, it's got like this weird like glow stick vibe going on. I don't really know what that's all about. Very interesting though. Now, it does have a lot more squishy material than the Crazy BYWs that we just opened up. And this seems like it would be a lot more comfortable. This thing does not have boost, so that's probably going to be a big factor in this, but it will still be comfortable because it's made by Adidas and they know how to make shoes. So yeah, basically this whole shoe is black except this sole right here, we have some green. It really shows up in the camera. And then we have the glow stick, the green glow stick type stuff. Now I'm actually not sure if this glows in the dark. I'll have to see about that. Okay, so yeah, definitely a unique sneaker. I don't think I would ever actually really rock a sneaker like this, but I could definitely see somebody doing that. And so these retailed for $120, and we got them for $36. So obviously that is a good deal. And again, tell me in the comments below if you guys think that this was a good deal. And so that's basically going to wrap up unboxing these sneakers, but let's go ahead and get them both on feet and see what they look like on feet. Okay, so both of the sneakers looked pretty good on feet. I personally think that these right here look better than the Crazy BYWs. But they're both a great sneaker, and you're getting a good price for both of these. Tell me in the comments below if you guys are enjoying this series, but everyone make sure to like up this video. Before this video ends, make sure to go click the link in the description to sign up for the sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers. But as always, thank you guys for watching.